Get rid of smelly drains. The smell of a clogged drain may pervade your entire home. It's sometimes a clogged kitchen drain that gives your house a rotten food odor, which grows worse while the dishwasher is running. It could be your bathroom sink or shower drains that may also smell like a sewer at times. The odor might even emanate from the drain of your washing machine. Grease accumulation in kitchen drains retains food waste, generating germs and attracting pests like fruit flies, causing them to stink. In the bathroom, soap, toothpaste, and body oils may accumulate along with hair and dead skin cells, causing a similar odor problem. If a drain starts to stink, it's typically a sign that a blockage is forming. You'll get rid of the odor while avoiding a pricey plumber's charge if you treat it fast using one of the following solutions. Non-toxic home items you most likely have on hand are used in all of these approaches. Many people find that using a combination of strategies is the most effective. Start with the one that is most convenient for you, and if your drain continues to smell, try a different approach. 1. Hot water method. Hot water and dish soap can clean greasy dishes, and they can also clear your stinky drain. Bring a saucepan of water to a boil, then mix in a couple of squirts of liquid dish detergent. Gently pour half of the liquid down the drain and wait 5 minutes for the greasy buildup to dissolve. To solidify any residual oil, set your cold water tap on full blast and let it run for a full minute. To remove the congealed residue, pour the remaining hot water down the drain. 2. Vinegar cleans stinky drains. Vinegar works well as a drain deodorizer. By dissolving biofilm or other debris, it also cuts through grease to clear stinky drains. Small obstructions, which are frequently the source of the drain's odor, can also be broken up with hot vinegar. Bring 4 cups of vinegar to a boil, then pour half of it down the drain. Run cold water for a minute before rinsing the drain with the remaining hot vinegar. 3. Scrub the drain with baking soda. Run hot water down the drain for a minute to soften any buildup in the drain pipe before using this procedure. Then, pour 1 cup baking soda down the drain, followed by 2 cups vinegar. Wait for the fizzing to finish, then run hot water through the drain for 1 minute, followed by cold water down the drain for 1 minute. 4. Plastic drain snake. If you don't happen to have a plastic drain snake on hand, you can usually find them at your local retailer or hardware store. Simply remove the drain stopper and feed the snake down the drain carefully. Then turn it while holding it by the plastic handle. Hair and other debris that coat the interior of your drain are collected by the snake's short, strong bristles. The outcome is usually disgusting, but effective. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.